Hi there, my name is Taylor Copland, and in this episode, we are going to be going over how to make color palettes. What we're going to want to do to get started here is we're going to want to give ourselves some more space. So right now we are on screen 1, and this screen relates to the bottom screen, or like the screen that's like by the keyboard on like a full size MA2 console. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to screen 2, which would be the one directly above that on a full size, and then 3 and 4 just go towards the left. But we're going to click on screen 2 here. We're going to have a new window here. We'll full screen that for you. And what we are going to do is we are going to add our groups back, and we'll make that small. And then we are also going to come into here, and we are going to add another pool for, a preset pool for our colors. Okay. And as you can see, it's empty as well. So this is what we're going to do. So we are going to select our all group, and we can go into color here. And then if you click on special dialog, you can see it brings up this glorious window. And from here, you can literally just select whatever color you like. And then now we have that recorded. We can hit our command overlay, go to store, and go there. And you can see it brought it up as cyan, and we can continue doing that for all of our colors. So we can do special dialog. Let's go like green, store, whatever. And you can see if we clear out of this, if I click on this and I hit green, there's a number 10 here, right? And I can click this and I can hit cyan, there's a number 10 here. I've clicked both of these, then I click cyan, now there's a 20 here and the 10 went away. This little number right here indicates the amount of fixtures that are listening to that preset. So that is method 1 of how to make your color presets. Method 2 is my favorite method, which again, we are going to take advantage of that auto create menu. So we're going to go into setup. We're going to click auto create, and this time we are going to go into additional presets here. Hue amount can stay 12, but we're going to change our saturation amount to 1. Okay, and then sort by hue. You can also sort by saturation, but we're not gonna worry about that. So now from here, we want to make a selection of all of our groups that we want to be affected by this, or fixture types. And then down here, you can add global mix color, or you can merge global mix color. If you add global mix color, it's going to make a separate color. It's going to separate all these. It's going to make a preset for every single group. But we don't want to do that. We want to merge it, so it takes all of that, and all of them will listen to that one color if you have that fixture selected. So we're going to say merge global mix color. Okay, and it's going to say create a 13 presets. So we go okay, X out of that, and boom, there you go. You have some colors, and you can go through here just by clicking on it, and you can just start typing. So this is white, scroll over, red, orange, yellow, lime, green, sea, cyan, this is blue. This is a, I guess people like to call this one lavender. This is blue. This is a indigo, magenta, and pink. Cool. So now you have all your colors in. You can, again, you can either, here we'll clear out. You can either select your group and do it that way. You can see that the number 10 is following us around, or we can do this one. You can see that one's following us around, or we can click all and see now it shows us 20 fixtures are doing these colors. If we clear out again, you can also double click on this, and anything that is associated with these palettes will pop up. And yeah, now you have some beautiful colors to get your show file going. You can always add more to this. You are not restricted to just doing these. But for the most part, this will get you going, and you probably won't need much more than this for most of your shows. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next one.